How to connect Google Sites to Hostinger custom domain. So the first step is to simply go to Google Sites, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply open any websites and then simply go to the publish options and then click on publish settings here. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply you're gonna have to click on manage under custom domain. So simply click on that, and then here you're gonna have to simply click on start setup. Now the next step is to simply enter your domain here, and after that what you're gonna have to do is simply verify your ownership. As you can see, this domain is not verified. Please verify your ownership. So simply click on this. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on continue, and then we're gonna have to basically add some records to Hostinger. So we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to Hostinger, and after you log into your account you're gonna have to go to domains and then click manage next to your domain, and after that go back to Google here and then simply select CNAME. Then simply copy these two values and then go back to Hostinger and then go to DNS, and then you're gonna have to simply add them here, and then after that simply click on verify, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.